Hello everyone, let's dive into the MSI Mag PANO 120R PZ, an ATX mid-tower case that's making waves. This case isn't just about housing your components, it's about showcasing them. The first thing that grabs your attention is the 270-degree panoramic tempered glass panel. It turns your PC into a display piece, perfect for showing off figurines or just admiring your build. One of the standout features is the support for back-connect motherboards. This is a game changer for cable management, making installation cleaner and easier. No more fumbling with cables after you've installed your graphics card or cooler. Cooling is well addressed with support for up to a 360mm radiator for liquid cooling setups. Plus, it comes pre-installed with 7 ARGB fans, ensuring your components stay cool while looking great. The included VGA bracket is a thoughtful addition, especially for larger graphics cards, preventing any unwanted sag. It even has a level indicator to help you get the height just right. Dust is always a concern, but MSI has you covered with easily accessible filters on the top and bottom of the case. Cleaning is a breeze, which is always a plus. Overall, the MSI Mag PANO 120R PZ seems to strike a great balance between aesthetics, functionality, and ease of use. It's definitely one to consider if you're looking to build a showcase-worthy PC.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.